Okay, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about the last three steps of the Don't Call Me After Dark. Um, we started off with, last week, we started off with the don't, which was distribute, and the call. And then combine like terms. So today, we're going to talk about moving the variable, add or subtract the constant, and then the divide or multiply. I'll go ahead and write those out. And that divide multiply, that is normally the last step to actually solve for x. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the move the variable. So when we're talking about moving the variable, we're moving the x. So when you see the x's on both sides, we're going to move it to the left. Okay. So with this particular problem, I got 4x equals 2x minus 12. You have to do the opposite operation. So if I got a positive 2x, I got to do a negative 2x. Okay? And you got to do it to both sides. I'm just going to bring down my equal sign. That's gone. That's gone. That guy comes down. And I do 4 minus 2. It gives me my 2x. And that's the move step. And that's all we got to do on this part. Okay, now we're going to do the add or subtract the constant. So once we've already moved the variable, we got the variables on the left side. Now we want to move the constants to the right side. So the constants are moving to the right side. So here's our example. 2x minus 10 equals 20. Now these are the constants. The 10 and the 20 are the constants. They don't got a letter. That's what that means. Again, we're going to use our opposite operation. So if it's a minus, I got to plus it. If it's a plus, then I minus it. In this case, I'm plussing. That's why we got to add slash subtract. So I'm doing a plus 10. My equal sign comes down. My variable comes down. This guy's gone. 20 plus 10 is 30. And that is the add or subtract the constant step. And that's all we're doing for this particular problem. Okay, now we're going to do the last step, which is the divide and multiply. Now, sometimes you will have to multiply. It's just going to be based on how the final problem is set up. In this case, we are doing the divide part. So once we've already moved the variables on the left, we've already added and subtracted the constants. Constants are on the right. I'm going to have a problem that looks something like this. And again, we're doing the opposite operations. So I have a 3x. So that's really multiplying 3 times x. So the opposite is to divide. So I'm dividing both sides by 3. So I can get rid of it. So I bring down my x, bring down my equal sign. 21 divided by 3 is 7, and I get 7. Now just keep in mind the other side, the other thing that can happen here is the multiply part. That only happens if I have a fraction. So if I have an x over 3 equals 21, then I'd be multiplying both sides by 3, so the 3 can cancel. Remember, my goal is to get rid of the number next to the variable. Okay, the assignment is in Google Classroom. Make sure you do this Desmos activity.